I'm Dr. Varudhini Kankipati and welcome to my channel. Now, if you're parents and you have children or you have one child who has anger problems, how do we help the child to learn how to regulate their anger? So children going through anger is a very common emotion. Anger is very common, and it's something all of us struggle with, and we all have to learn how to regulate it. So how as parents can you help your child regulate their anger? So the first thing is to help your child to understand when they feel angry. So the first thing is we have to give them the tools. There's always anger that you can feel in your body. So you can help your child to say, when you notice that your child is clenching their fist like tightly, they'll be like that, and they clench their teeth, their fists, and then you can see them breathing heavier, their heart rate goes up. Sometimes when they're feeling so angry, they start to hold their stomach, meaning that their stomach feels like it's churning. So these are the physical telltale signs that the child is going through anger. They feel like their face gets scrunched up, their fists get held tight, their heart rate starts to go up. So we need to help the child to understand what are the signs of this anger. So you tell the child, like, okay, when you clench your fist like that, you feel angry. When you clench your teeth, you are feeling angry. So when you're doing that, it feels like you're angry. And then what you can do is, it's very simple. As parents, you need to help the child to navigate this, right? So the first thing you do is help the child to look at you. So go tell the child, look at me, and say, let's move from here. Move the child away from the situation that they are very angry about. Next thing you do is just tell them to start counting to 10, just very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. And by the time you slowly ask the child to count the numbers to 10, their anger, their heart rate should slowly go down. Another tip is sometimes while you're counting to 10 or counting down from 10 to 1, either one is fine, just helping them to find their rhythm of breathing. So you tell them, just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So you move the child away from the situation. You ask the child to count to 10, 1 to 10, or backwards, 10 to 1. Next is you teach the child how to breathe in, and don't try and overemphasize the breathing. Like, don't say breathe in, breathe. Don't do that. Just a regular breath cycle. Breathe in and breathe out. And help the child to find the rhythm in that breathing. It will immediately start to calm the child down. After that, you can then ask the child to express their anger. And if you say, are you angry? The child's going to say yes. But you need to help the child understand the intensity of anger. So what do? You say from 1 to 10, 1 being very low anger, 10 being very high. What you do is say low and high anger and medium. Ask the child, are you feeling low anger? You're feeling medium anger, or you're feeling very high anger? And the child normally is able to understand where to place their anger. And sometimes, remember, the child will also over-exaggerate a bit and say, I'm very highly angry. They might even say that, but but you will know that, okay, the child might be, your child might be having medium anger. So this way, the child starts to understand that, okay, the next time your child is in a situation where, they're very angry, you can immediately start to see that the child will pick up the cues and then say, okay, what I'll do is now I'll move away from here, and they'll try and do the breath work and count. I hope this video did help you in trying to figure out how to help your child when they get angry. So do try and do some of these tips and let me know. Do comment below and tell me how it works for you. This is just to teach the child how to understand their symptoms and what to do. There are a lot of times when the child has gotten into a habit of having really very large anger outbursts, this is not, you can try doing this for those children as well. But if it doesn't work, I'll do another video with a little bit more tips. But this is how you start helping the child regulate their anger. I hope you did like this video. Please do share. I hope you did like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye.